create text document with any text editor, and if we set text like this inside of it, and if we save that document with any name and .html extension, we'll get our first HTML document. Our HTML document will be saved like a web document, so if you double click on it, this document will be opened like a web page. So let's start analyzing our code. First line of code is doctype declaration with value HTML, which represents what version of HTML do we use. Value HTML represents that we are using HTML version 5. For some previous versions, this line of code was much longer, for example something like this. HTML element contains important style scripts and instructions, and also visible part for our web document. So it contains head HTML element and body HTML element. Head HTML element contains styles, scripts, and instructions that are important for our HTML document, and these elements are usually not directly visible inside of our web page. Title is only directly visible element of head, and title is visible like title of your document inside of tab in our web browser. Body element is a visible part of our web page. So basically anything that you want to display inside of your web page, you will place inside of body. In our case, we have two simple lines of code. We had this lesson is about text and basic HTML page content text. Something that is interesting and that you probably have noticed is that inside of one HTML element, you can paste another HTML element. Like head contains title element, or like HTML element contains head and body HTML elements. This concept is known as nesting. So if element contains another element, that element is known as a parent element. Or if element is nested inside of another element, that element is known as a child element. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.